This film is entitled Maintaining Hospital Carpet. This video is developed to help you understand the theory and practice of professionally cleaned carpet. Carpet fibers are designed to hide dirt. If a carpet looks dirty, then it's really dirty and will require lots of work to make it look clean again. So our carpet cleaning procedures should be based on keeping the carpet looking clean and safe all the time. Studies have shown that cleaning can successfully reduce the presence of known pathogenic microorganisms on common environmental surfaces in hospitals. The carpet in a healthcare facility acts as a large air filter, trapping a significant amount of dust, pollen, and dirt. Regular vacuuming removes many of these particulates, preventing them from either building up over time and making the carpets look dirty, or being released back into the air, where they might be inhaled. Let's review the 8 steps of carpet cleaning now. Carpet cleaning method is spin pad or bonnet method. It's somewhat different in that it requires the use of a rotary floor machine and special spin pad or bonnet. The major advantage of this method is the short drying time. The next carpet cleaning method is encapsulation carpet cleaning. Encapsulation cleaning is highly efficient for carpet cleaning. This method of carpet cleaning is becoming more and more popular in hospital carpet maintenance. Low moisture encapsulation cleaning breaks down the soil and surrounds or encapsulates the particles that are easily removed then with ordinary vacuuming. We'll now discuss another method. Let's look at hot water extraction. This begins with a thorough vacuuming of the area you're going to clean. Also perform spotting before doing any extraction procedures. For this method, you will need a hot water extractor and a liquid concentrate.